Yeah, well, the question is it a barn find if you put it there yourself? But I put something in here for 20 years ago. Let's go and have a look. Here's a really nice Mustang, but that's not mine. This one, Unimog U1300, made 1983, ruined by me 2004, and now we're gonna fix it. So let's see if everything. There's the clothes I lost. It's been cold. The scooter overall. It's been there. I found it. Oh, there's been a cat living here. I didn't know that. Jesus. Yeah, well, it looks like a Unimog from 1983, but with an add-on. It's been a cat house. Got some job to do. So the problem is the engine makes a really metallic sound when it runs, and I won't even be bothered to try to start it. So we need to get some air on it and see if the parking brake will let go, so we can pull it out of here.
Almost out.
Almost out. Need a little bit more air. This wheel is turning, but not the other one. The front is turning. So, I mean, 3 out of 4. It's quite good.
Do you find anything else than spider webs?
Mostly spider webs and some e-brake cylinders, and it looks a bit rusty. So I think we need to bring something to persuade it with, like a big iron stick or something.
Nice.
Yeah. So, because the Bobcat can't pull it if one wheel is locked. Okay, she's finally out of the barn. She's been standing in the barn for many years. I ruined the engine 2004 by actually sinking it in a mud hole. Needed an excavator to get it out, so I did it thoroughly. And it's a Unimog 1300L, 1300 Doka, as you can see. It's super because I now have enough children and wife to fill it. So I need it now. So we finally have the Unimog in my workshop. We have more rust. Yeah. Sort of what I thought about.